Hello and welcome to the daily Forex report for April 19th. We're looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair closed up during today's session, moving higher. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 82.02, possibly as low as 80.86. Look for some resistance around 81.86 and look for some support around 81.00. Now the Euro-USD pair continues to move sideways, did close higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 132.22, possibly as low as 130.05. Look for some resistance to come into the market around 131.85 and look for some support around 130.50. Now the pound US dollar pair broke previous resistance, moved higher. We are looking for it to potentially go up and hit some resistance around 160.100, possibly moving lower and hitting support around 159.75. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed down during this last session, moving sideways overall. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9239, possibly as low as 0.9083. Look for some resistance around 0.9205 and look for some support around 0.9125. Now, as far as news announcements go, we do have some news announcements being released tomorrow. We have the German producer's price for March. That'll affect the euro. That's at 2 a.m. Eastern. Consensus on that is that it's dropped a little bit from 3.2% down to 3.1%. Then at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the Consumer Price Index for Canada being released for March. Consensus on that is that their CPI has dropped from 2.6 down to 2.1%, which would be good news for the Canadian dollar. Then a little bit later in the day at 9 a.m. Eastern, we have the U.S. G20 financial ministers, central bankers meeting in Washington. Of course, no consensus given on that. Okay, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, the U.S. Swiss and the Euro-USD have both created swing trade opportunities going in the opposite direction over this next session. Quick little scalping trades. If we get a break of this line, look for it to come on down about 20 pips, 17 pips or so. Use a risk reward of 1-to-1, maybe as high as a 30 pip stop loss. No, definitely no more than that. Let's take a look at the euro. Same kind of deal here, swing trade opportunity. Market's been moving sideways. We get a break above that. Should come on up to where we have some previous areas of resistance on this one. Looking at a gain of roughly about 26 pips. This one may be a little bit better one to take due to the size of it. 26 pips using a 26 pip stop loss. Basically looking to buy at this point and then looking to exit very quickly right here. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.